In this video, I'm going to show you how to design a mentoring program step by step. Mentoring has huge value to add to organisations. It helps you retain talent, it helps you develop people, and it helps empower employees to manage their careers. If you're wondering how to introduce mentoring into your organisation, or if you're struggling with a mentoring program that has lost momentum, this video will walk you through exactly what you need to do to engage, retain and develop your valued employees. There are 6 steps as described in our mentor model. So let's get started with step 1, the M, which stands for matching strategy. If mentoring is going to add value to the organisation, you must adopt a strategic matching strategy. Then it's time for step 2, the E, for engagement. Once you've planned your matching strategy, you need to promote the programme so that mentors and mentees both appreciate the benefits they can gain. Then it's time for step 3, the N for nominations. Your aim is to form mentoring partnerships that have the greatest chance of being successful. Once they're established, it's time for step 4, the T for training. It's important to train both mentors and mentees. In fact, research indicates that the effectiveness of mentoring triples when both mentor and mentee are trained at the outset. Once the partnerships are underway, it's time for step 5, the O, for ongoing support. A program where support stops after the launch is likely to lose energy and momentum. You need to preserve the enthusiasm to improve the likelihood of achieving results. And then we come to the final step. Step 6 is the R for review. You'll want to review how the mentoring program is going at an individual and organisational level. There you have it, 6 steps to design a mentoring program that works.